Hi everyone, and welcome to this first car special episode. I hope that while you're listening to this, you're not stuck in one of our fantastic traffic jams, but if you are, I feel you. The idea of this series is to create content to be listened to in the car and to use that time to do audio exercises or even practice pronunciation. I personally like to do this myself when learning a language because A, listening to vocabulary, verbs or phrases repeatedly can really help memorization. B, when you're alone in the car, nobody hears how you butcher the word, so you can really use the time to practice without feeling embarrassed. And C, I really do find that when you are stuck in a traffic jam, it can help reduce stress because it doesn't feel as much like completely wasted time. In this first episode, we will start with basic words and phrases for everyday life and also with the personal pronouns, which I will also introduce in a video soon. I wish you happy listening and please don't hesitate to let me know what kind of content you would like to hear in these car specials. 1. Vocabulaire Basiswörter. Basic words. Moin, hello. Bonjour, hello. Adi, goodbye. Bis geschwind, see you soon. Wie geht es? How are you? Mir geht es gut, I'm fine. Mir geht es nicht gut, I'm not fine. Mir geht es schlecht, I'm not fine. An dir, and you. An ihr's, and you. Here it's the formal one. Ja, yes. Nee, no. Och, also. Merci, thank you. Nee, merci, no thank you. Vielmals merci, thank you very much. Gern geschehen, you're welcome. A schönen Tag, have a nice day. Wann es gelieft, please. Pardon, sorry. Entschuldigt, excuse me. Wat heisst dat? What does it mean? Ich verstehe dat nicht. I don't understand this. Eend. Vocabulaire Basiswörter. Basic words. Moin, hello. Bonjour, hello. Adi, goodbye. Bis geschwind, see you soon. Wie geht es? How are you? Mir geht es gut, I'm fine. Mir geht es nicht gut, I'm not fine. Mir geht es schlecht, I'm not fine. An dir, and you. An ihr's, and you. Here it's the formal one. Ja, yes. Nee, no. Och, also. Merci, thank you. Nee, merci, no thank you. Vielmals merci, thank you very much. Gern geschehen, you're welcome. A schönen Tag, have a nice day. Wann es gelieft, please. Pardon, sorry. Entschuldigt, excuse me. Wat heisst dat? What does it mean? Ich verstehe dat nicht. I don't understand this. Zwei. Vocabulaire, Personalpronomen, the personal pronouns. Ich, I, du, you, hien, he, hat, she, mir, we, dir, you, sie, they. 3. Beispieldialoge, Example Dialogues. Moin, ich bin Anna. Wie geht es? Moin Anna, mir geht es gut. An dir? Mir geht es auch gut. Bis geschwind. Adi. Bonjour, Madame Fernandez. Wie geht es? Moin, Herr Weber. Mir geht es nicht gut. An ihr? Mir geht es auch schlecht. Ai, ai, ai. Einen schönen Tag. Merci. Adi.